Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about display ads. What is display ads? What are the benefits of using display ads? And in the later part of the video, you will see how to create a display campaign practically. Okay. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's get to know what is display ads and what are the benefits of using it. So for learning more about display ads, we'll go to the official documentation of Google. So you can see over here, currently we are in the official documentation of Google about display ads and the Google Display Network. So display campaigns serve visually engaging ads on the Google Display Network. The display network helps you reach people as they browse millions of websites, apps, and Google owned properties, such as YouTube and Gmail. Display campaigns offer a simple, intelligent solution to managing the complex variable of display advertising and maybe the most effortless way to broaden your customer base and win new conversions. Use a display campaign to show ads in almost all formats across the Google Display Network, reaching people at all stages in the buying cycle. From people with demonstrated interest to customer just about to buy. Okay. So what are the benefits of using display ads? You can see over here, they have mentioned some of the benefits of using display ads. So first one is reach people in multiple places. Display campaigns can reach people worldwide across 35 million websites and apps and Google own properties, YouTube and Gmail. This allows you to expand your reach beyond just Google search. Next one is build campaigns around your goal. Drive sales, leads, and website traffic or build awareness and consideration for your business, product, or service. Next one is designed for ease of use. Display campaigns use machine learning solutions across targeting, bidding, and formats to reach a new or existing audience. This can help your campaign deliver the best campaign result friction-free. Optimize targeting. Find the best performing audience segment that includes potential customers with the highest likelihood to help you meet your conversion goal. Next one is smart bidding. Bidding that uses machine learning to optimize for conversion value is easy, is each and every option. It helps you save time and improve performance. The next benefit is a top performing campaign in minutes. You enter the building blocks for your ads like headline, images, and logos, and we'll find you as many customers as we can within the CPA bid and your control. Budget you control. And the last one is smarter, not harder. Display campaigns automatically optimize within days. Your campaign automatically selects the best combination of assets to give you the best performance. In this way, you can learn which of your headlines, description, images, and logos perform best. How the Google Display Network works. The Google Display Network helps you find the right audience with its targeting option that strategically show your message to potential customer at the right place at the right time. Display campaigns include machine learning capabilities that help improve campaign performance, such as bidding, creative, targeting, and we have uh, two kinds of display ads. One is upload display ads and another one is responsive display ads. So Google always recommends you to use responsive display ads. Okay. So you can learn more about responsive display ads from this doc. Okay. Like display campaigns use responsive display ads. Responsive display ads automatically adjust their size, appearance, and format to fill just about any available ad space and improve performance. You upload various assets like images, headlines, logos, videos, and description in Google Ads, and the optimal combination and size of assets will appear in ads across website, apps, YouTube, and Gmail. Okay. So they have given us some useful docs about how ad creation and optimization works and other display ad types, how performance data works. Okay. So I'm going to share this doc file in the video description so that you can learn more about display ads and what are the benefits of using display ads. Okay. So yeah, let's create a new display campaign from scratch. Okay. So I'm gonna be using this website. So I'll create a brand awareness campaign for this website because display campaigns basically used for brand awareness campaign, And if you have a remarketing audience list, then you can also create a remarketing campaign for display ads. So yeah, we'll show it in the later video how to create display remarketing campaign. And okay, so let's create a new campaign. So before creating a new campaign, I would suggest you to set up conversion tracking properly. It doesn't matter which campaigns you are working on, like search, display, performance max, shopping, YouTube, app. It doesn't matter. Make sure your conversion tracking is set up properly and you are tracking data. Okay. So if I go to the conversion section, just wait a little bit. If I scroll down a little, then we'll see an option, submit lead form, right? Submit lead form. So if you go to this website, you can see this is a service-based business. So whenever a user goes to the contact us page and fill up this form, I want to track this as a conversion. So you can see over here. So that's what I did over here, submit lead form. Okay. So make sure you are also tracking conversions properly. Okay. So let's create a new display campaign. So for creating new campaign, I'm going to click on this blue button called new campaign. Then I'll click on new campaign again. And I need to choose a campaign objective. So as I already told you, I'm going to be using this brand awareness. I'm going to be choosing brand awareness. So you can see over here in brand awareness category, we have two campaign types available here. One is display and another one is video. So for the time being, we are going to be selecting display. Okay. Then if you want, you can put your website URL, like I'm putting this website URL over here. Okay, and you can name the campaign as brand awareness. Mention your website. Okay. Then I'm gonna click on continue. I'll click on start new. Then from the location options, I'm going to enter the location as USA because this service is basically served on USA. So I'm going to type United States. Click on target. From the location options, I'm going to be choosing the second option, presence people in or regularly in your targeted location. And from the language option, I'll keep it as English. If you want to change or modify any languages, you can do it. And from the more settings option, I will keep ad rotation as optimized, prefer best performing ads. I'll not schedule the ads. I'll not choose any devices. I'm not going to be using campaign URL options. I'll not be using dynamic ads. I'll not give any end dates. And from the conversion section, I'll keep it as it is, and from the content exclusion, if you want, you can exclude some of the contents from here. So for me, it is okay. Then I'm going to be clicking on next. So they are suggesting to give us a daily budget. So I'm gonna provide the daily budget as $20 per day. And you can see over here for display campaign, we have a new bidding strategy available here. Like we have already known about conversions and conversions value, you know. So if you haven't uh, already known about this smart bidding like conversions value, so I have a detailed video on it. Please go and watch this video, and I'm going to be discussing viewable impressions because this is a new bidding and this is basically used for display ads. Okay, so let's get to know more about viewable impressions. So I'm going to search on Google about viewable impression. Okay, so let's get to know about viewable impressions. Okay, so you can see over here, this matrix shows the number of times your ad's impression were considered viewable. An ad is counted as viewable if at least 50% of its area is visible for at least 1 second for display ads or at least 2 seconds for video ads. It can help you understand how often your ad appeared where people could notice it. Okay, so hopefully you have understood what is viewable impression. Okay, so let's choose viewable impression from here because we want more visibility, you know. We are not focused on conversion for this type of uh, ad campaign. Okay, so I'm going to be giving a viewable CPM over here. So for example, I'll give 50 cent viewable CPM. So what is CPM? CPM means cost per thousand impression. That means for 1,000 viewable impression, we want to give Google 50 cents. Okay. So if you want, you can customize the numbers from here. So I'm going to be clicking on next. So we have the targeting option available here. Okay. So I'll click on add targeting. So you can see over here, we have bunch of targeting options available like audience segments, demographic, keywords, topic, placements. So you can target display ads with those types of targetings, you know. So first of all, we'll be going through audience segments. So I'll click on it. So you can search it from here. Like this website is basically used for steel detailing, structural steel detailing, BIM. Okay, so if you want, you can search your required segments from here. Okay, or you can browse from here. So I'm going to be searching for steel detailing. Okay, steel detailing. Let's see what comes first. Okay, steel detailing, I should say. Okay, perfect. Then just wait a little bit. So you can see over here, steel properties and standard, steel fabricators, steel structure design, tool steel, steel products, steel manufacturing, steel supplies. Okay. So for the time being, I'm going to be choosing. So I will also choose structural steel. Okay. So those are perfect for me. So if you want, you can choose for your niche or categories. Okay. So I'll click on ad targeting, and you can also target the audience using demographics. So if I click on demographics, then you can choose gender, age, uh, parental status, household income. So for example, I'll only be choosing male from here. So I'm gonna deselect female and unknown, and my targeting age range would be 25 to 64. And I don't want to target unknown parents. Okay. And I want to target household incomes of top 10%, 11, and I'm going to be removing 41 to 50%, lower 50%, and unknown. Okay. So I'll click on ad targeting again. You can see we can also target our audiences by using some keywords. Okay. So if I click on it, then you can see if you put your website URL over here, then they give you some suggestions about the keywords. So you can target those keywords as well. So if you click on add all ideas, then all the keywords will be selected. Okay. Then you can choose this one, content only show ads on web page, apps, and videos related to these keywords. Okay. And I'll click ad targeting again, and you can also target your audience using topics. So if you want, you can choose different topics from here, like arts and entertainment, auto and vehicle. So let's see whether our topics is available here or not. Let's search for it. Steel detailing. No, there is no topics related to your niches. Okay. No, no worries. No worries. So I'll skip our topics from here. Then I'll click on ad targeting from here. Then you can also choose placement. So if I click on placement, then you can choose specific websites or mobile apps or YouTube videos for targeting, like you have different of websites available here. So if you put any website URL over here, then though your ads will be shown to those specific websites. Like I want to show the ads for like Malo. Okay. I'll go to the website of Malo. It's over here. So I'm gonna copy the URL from here and paste it in this section. Click on enter. That's a little bit. You can enter it manually by add one placement. You can see over here, this website has been selected. So to be able to store at similarly, if I see over here, it has not. Okay, then we have the YouTube channel. You can show your ads on a specific YouTube channel. If you search for a YouTube channel, then those YouTube channels will be appear. Okay. Similarly, for YouTube videos, like if you want to choose specific YouTube videos and you want to show your ads on those YouTube videos, then you can also do it. And we have apps option available here. Like if you want to show your ads on certain apps or certain app categories, then you can also do it. Okay. So hopefully you have understood. Then, so you don't need to target all the targeting options at a time. Like in one ad group, you can target these audience segments, and in another ad groups, you can target keywords. In another ad groups, you can target topics, and in another ad group, you can target placements. Okay, so you can test different versions of uh, your audiences, which one is performing well, which one is not. On the basis of performance, you can pause this ad group, or you can create new ad groups. So we'll be clicking on this optimized targeting. So let's get to know what is optimized targeting. You can see over here, optimized targeting helps you get more viable impression within your budget. Google may find people beyond your targeting signals. So this is very effective. So I would suggest you to enable this check mark. So I'm going to click on next. Then you can see over here, uh, where we are in the ad creation section, and we have two options available here, like upload display ads and responsive display ads. So I would suggest you to create responsive display ads. Okay, so you need to put your website URL over here, okay, in the final URL section. So what you need to do, you need to copy your website URL from here and paste it over here, and as the business name, you need to provide your business name, like I'm providing Metro Steel Detailing. So this is my business name. Okay, and from the image section, you can add up to 15 images. So I would suggest you to add all the images. So I'll click on image section, and I'm going to be choosing all the images from here. So you have different options available here, like you can choose image from asset library, or if you don't have any image, you can scan your website, or you can upload image, or you can use free stock images. Okay, so we have already available, we have already some images available here, so I'm going to be choosing those images. Okay, so I'll click on save. And for the logos, I'll go to the website section, and I'm going to enter my website URL over here and scan it. Okay. No assets found. So I'm going to scan the Twitter. Let's see whether, yeah, we have got a logo. So I'm going to be using this logo. So I'll remove them. I'll click on save. Okay, and if you have video, then you can upload a video as well. So I don't have any video for this service or for this website, so I'll input a random video from my YouTube channel. So I'll write analytical growth. Okay, so I'm going to choose some random videos over here. So I'd suggest you to create a YouTube channel related to your service and upload some videos, and you can use those videos for display campaigns. So I'm going to click on video, and I'll click on search YouTube. Then I'll enter the URL over here, and I'm going to be choosing this one. Okay, so I'll click on save, and from the headline section, we have 5 options available here. You can see over here, we need to enter 5 headlines, and headlines character limit is 30 characters, and we have one long headline options, and we have 5 descriptions options available here. Okay, so I would suggest you to use all the assets like 5 descriptions, one long headline, and 5 headlines, so I have already written some headlines. Okay, so I'm going to be using them. So the first headline, I'm going to be using quality still detailing and BIM. So I'll be using this over here. Okay, then next one, I'm going to be using my brand name, Mastro Steel Detailing. So this will be used as headline 2. Okay, and as the third headline, I'm going to be using structural steel detailing. Okay, perfect. And as the fourth headline, I'm going to be using a call to action, request a free quote. And as the fifth headline and last headline, I'm going to be using number 1 steel detailing services. Okay, so this will be used as our last headline. Okay, so you can see over here. And as the long headline, I'm going to be using this one, where the one-stop solutions provider for all steel detailing requirements. So I'm going to be copying this long headline from here and paste it over here. Okay, so its character limit is 90 character. Okay, so make sure you're not exceeding 90 characters. Okay, and from the description option, we need to enter 5 descriptions, and the character limit is also 90 characters. So I have also written all the descriptions. So I'm going to be using this one as description 1, and as description 2, I'm going to be using where the one-stop solutions provider for all steel detailing requirements. And as the third description, I'm going to be using Mustio offers reliable code complaint connection engineering services. And as the fourth description, I'm going to be using we offer BIM services for various steel structures, request a free quote. And as the last description, I'm going to be using Mustro helps 30% cost saving from integrated detailing services. So this will be used as the last description. Okay, perfect. So you can see over here, our ad strength is good. I have filled up all the images, videos, headlines, and descriptions. So you can click on these additional format options and you can enable those check marks like use asset enhancement, use auto generated video, use native formats. Okay, and from add URL options, you can click on more options. So if you want, you can customize the call to action text. Like currently it is on automated mode and is its language is in English. So if you want, you can customize the call to action as well as uh, languages from here. Like if you want to use apply now or book now, contact us, download, learn more, install, visit site, shop now, sign up. So yeah, you can customize it, but I will keep it as automated. Then from the more option, we have another options called custom colors. Like if you want to use customize colors for your call to actions, you can do it. So for choosing colors, you can go to the HTML colors codes.com and you can choose any colors from here. So for example, I'm going to be using this color code. So I'll copy it from here and paste it in the main color section and accent color section. So if you scroll up a little bit, then you will see your call to action color will be pink, you know. So let's wait a little bit. So you can see over here, open, it is in pink color. So if you want, you can choose any colors. Okay, so it's up to you. So I'm going to click on create ad. Okay, so one ad has been created. So if you want, you can create multiple ads. So for now, I am okay with one ads. Then I'll click on next. And you can see Google is reviewing our campaign, whether they get some errors or not. If everything is okay, then we can publish the campaign, you know. So let's wait a little bit. So it is taking some additional time. So yeah, that is how you can create a display campaign from scratch, you know. So hopefully you have understood how to create a display ads. So what you can do, you can create multiple ad groups. Like in one ad groups you can target audience signals, and another ad groups you can create keyword based targeting, and in another ad groups you can create placement based targeting, you know. So yeah, you can test different things and see which one perform well, you know. So yeah, hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.